Apple is making a bold move with the iPhone 17 Air. This marks the first major design shift since the iPhone 12, bringing a fresh look and new engineering. Apple is known for pushing boundaries, and this time, they are focusing on making the thinnest iPhone ever. The iPhone 17 Air is not just about aesthetics. It represents a new era in smartphone design. With an ultra-slim body, advanced display, and new technology, Apple aims to redefine the iPhone experience. One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 17 Air is its thickness, or rather, how thin it is. At just 5.5 millimeters, this will be the thinnest iPhone ever made. To achieve this, Apple has removed certain features and redesigned the internal structure. The iPhone 17 Air is set to replace the Plus model in Apple's lineup, offering a more premium alternative for users who prefer a larger display without the bulk. The phone is expected to feature a 6.6-inch OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion, ensuring smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Dynamic Island will remain a core part of the display, continuing Apple's push toward a seamless user interface. Powering the device is the A19 chip, but unlike the Pro models, this will be a standard version focused on efficiency rather than raw power. When it comes to cameras, Apple is taking a different approach. Instead of multiple lenses, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a single 48MP rear camera. This change helps keep the phone slim while still offering high-quality photography. On the front, Apple is upgrading to a new 24MP selfie camera, enhancing FaceTime and social media experiences. Another major upgrade is the new Apple C1 modem, which promises better power efficiency and improved connectivity. However, there's a big shift in SIM technology. Apple is completely removing the physical SIM card slot, making the iPhone 17 Air eSIM-only. This move aligns with Apple's long-term vision of a more seamless and wireless future. Additionally, leaked dummy models suggest the introduction of an action button, a feature previously seen on Pro models, allowing users to customize controls for quick access. Apple is expected to keep the starting price of the iPhone 17 Air at $899, the same as the iPhone 16 Plus. This pricing strategy makes sense, as Apple is positioning the Air model as a replacement for the Plus series. By maintaining the price while offering a thinner and more premium design, Apple is targeting users who want a high-end iPhone without stepping up to the Pro models. As for the launch, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be announced in September 2025, alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. Apple traditionally launches its new iPhones in September, so this timeline follows the company's usual pattern. However, since the iPhone 17 Air represents a major design shift, Apple may highlight it as a key product in its marketing campaign. One of the most debated aspects of the iPhone 17 Air was Apple's initial plan to remove the USB-C port entirely. There were reports that Apple considered launching the device as a fully portless iPhone, relying only on wireless charging. However, due to EU regulations, Apple had to keep the USB-C port for now. While this decision was reversed, it clearly signals Apple's long-term vision for a port-free iPhone in the future. In terms of charging, Apple is making improvements to wireless charging speeds, with the iPhone 17 Air supporting 25W MagSafe charging. This allows for faster and more efficient wireless power delivery, making wireless charging a more practical option for everyday use. As Apple refines this technology, it is likely paving the way for a future where all iPhones will charge exclusively through wireless methods. Building an ultra-thin iPhone comes with challenges, and Apple has faced several hurdles in this process. Reports suggest that Apple had initially tested a 6.9-inch ultra-slim prototype, but the design was scrapped due to bending concerns. This highlights the engineering difficulties in creating a thinner iPhone while maintaining durability. The iPhone 17 Air also enters a competitive market. Samsung is rumored to be working on a Galaxy S25 Edge, a slim and premium smartphone aimed at a similar audience. Apple's strategy with the iPhone 17 Air seems to be about creating an aspirational product, much like the Vision Pro headset. By introducing an ultra-thin, futuristic iPhone, Apple is setting the stage for a new category of high-end smartphones that focus on design, portability, and innovation. A major concern with ultra-thin phones is battery life. However, Apple has taken steps to ensure that the iPhone 17 Air remains efficient. The device will feature a higher density battery, allowing it to deliver battery life comparable to current iPhones despite its slimmer design. One key decision that helps with battery life is the removal of the ultra-wide camera. By eliminating this additional sensor, Apple frees up space inside the phone, allowing for a larger battery. Combined with the efficient A19 chip and the Apple C1 modem, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to maintain strong battery performance without sacrificing its ultra-thin form factor. The iPhone 17 Air is more than just another model in Apple's lineup. It represents the first step toward a radically new iPhone concept. Apple is gradually moving towards a fully wireless, port-free iPhone, and this device serves as a preview of that future. By focusing on thinness, wireless charging, and eSIM technology, Apple is preparing users for a world where physical ports are no longer needed. While the iPhone 17 Air still includes a USB-C port due to regulations, future models could eliminate it entirely. This shift aligns with Apple's broader vision of seamless, minimalist technology that blends hardware and software into a single, unified experience. The iPhone 17 Air is one of the most exciting iPhones in years. It introduces a new design era, making it the thinnest iPhone ever while maintaining strong performance and efficiency. With a 6.6-inch OLED display, A19 chip, 48MP main camera, and eSIM-only connectivity, Apple is pushing the boundaries of what an iPhone can be. While some challenges remain, such as durability and battery life, Apple's strategy is clear. The iPhone 17 Air is designed for those who want a sleek, premium, and futuristic smartphone. It is the beginning of a shift toward a fully wireless iPhone, and in the coming years, Apple may take even bolder steps in this direction.